If you are thinking of giving up, this is your sign not to give up. Hey, good morning! So I'm here in CDC Clark past 6 a.m. So I went here straight from my night shift, and iba talaga yung feeling ng nakakalanghap ka ng sariwang hangin, especially after a productive day. And for me, this is one of the best places here in Pampanga, although konti pa lang naman yung napuntahan kong location for walking because sobrang daming trees. And sakto, gumagaling pa lang ako from my cough and colds kasi I had this since last week. Medyo mahirap kapag alam mo, natrentahin ka na yun na nagkakasakit. Papapawis lang ako today, and I just want to share the view here in Clark when you walk. So if you are on your walking, running, fitness era, or just wanted to start and taga Pampanga ka, malapit ka sa Clark, I think this is the best place for you. Hindi ko pa na-try dito ang mag-walk ng hapon, pero mas prefer ko talaga ng morning. Alam niyo ba yung amoy ng basang grass or ng basang dahon ng puno? Parang ganun siya. Very refreshing ang scent. Kagaling ko lang sa first shift of the week, and I survived it. Ikaw din, if you are thinking of giving up, this is your sign not to give up. Bye.